My washing machine. Yeah. Wow, it's my washing machine. It's not hard for me to do the laundry again. Thank you, Papa. Say thank you to Papa. Say thank you.
Oh no, what's this? Is this a what's that?
Yeah.
Oh no. Hey, what's that?
Yeah.
Is this a what's this?
What's it?
Science.
Come here. Did you finish pooping? Are you done pooping?
Mas ano sa mga ginagawa niya? Ibahan ko sa kasi na ba? Kung may nabira sa sa. Wala ma'am. Look. Poop. Ara sa ano? Tubol. Tubol. Tubol siya.
Oh,
This.
what's that? Is this a what's
Ano
this?
ba?
What's this?
Oh, ready? 1, 2, 3, go!
So many.
So big.
So big. So big. So big. So big.
Gray?
Oh, what's it?
Wala na ibang color. Wala dito.
Wala, kilogram.
Shot. What's this?
Kilogram mo.
Wala?
8 kilogram. Ang isa to is 7.5 tapos outdated na tapos gamay mo na diferensya 11 to ako ng mabarya ko tuman to area 14 tigit 300 man yun. Sandalong na.
What's this pen?
Ha? You want to what? You want to take a look?
Here.
What's this?
It's a washing machine.
Nice one.
So what do you see?
It's a washing machine.
Wow.
The baby. Idea.
Oh, buto ate yun. Buto ate. Bigintis manual.
My washing
Buto ate.
machine.
Nesh, kuha niyo siya. Nesh, bigay dito dami. Bigay dito dami.
Oh no. Mom.
Yes. What's that? Let's take a look inside. Open it. Okay, come on. Open it.
Open it.
You want to take a look inside? Yeah. Oh. What's that?
Yes, it's